to our channel. In this session, we will discuss some more examples of DFA. The first one is a DFA that starts and ends with different characters, and the second one is starts and ends with the same character. First, to move to the first example, starts and ends with different characters. Assume my input alphabet consists of 0, 1. Now, what is the regular expression? See, starts with different characters. Suppose if it starts with 0 followed by any number but ends with 1. You got it? If it starts with 0 and ends with 1, in between any combination of zeros and ones. Or if it starts with 1, any combination of zeros and ones ends with 0. Got it? It starts with 0 and ends with 1. Or starts with 1, ends with 0. Different characters. Now, what is the language accepted by the finite automata? The minimum string 0, 1 or 1, 0 followed by, suppose 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and so on. Here the only thing you need to consider is starts with 0, ends with 1, different. 1, 0, different. 0, 1, different. 0, 0, 1, different. 1, 0, different. 1, 0, different. 1, 0, different. So you got it? Now, we are writing the finite automata that accepts this type of language. Initially, I am writing one state Q0. From this, you have two possibilities there. One possibility, if it starts with 0, another possibility, it starts with 1. Now, if it starts with 0, now what is the minimum string? Starts with 0 and ends with 1. Now, I am reaching the final state. You got it? Start with 0, ends with 1. I am reaching the final state. Now, in between 0, 1, you have any number. Here I am writing some self loop. What is the self loop here? Here from Q1, 1 is completed. The remaining thing is 0. Why? Suppose 0, 0, 0, 0. Self loop repeated 3 number of times, 3 zeros and 1. Anyway, starts with 0 and ends with 1. Fine. So self loop is okay. Now from state Q2, what happened? If 0 appear on state Q2, if 0 appear, I am moving to here. Why? Suppose if 0 appear, if I return the self loop means starts with 0, ends with 0. The same character possibility is there. That is the reason I am traversed back to Q1. What happened? Suppose 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, whenever you are reaching the final state, the only possible option is 1. So you are writing the self loop 1 also. Clear the point? If it starts with 0, ends with 1 or self loop 1. Exactly. In the reverse fashion, Q2 completed, assume Q3. If it starts with 1 and the minimum string is 0, 1, 0, Q4, accepted or not? Now, same logic. If it starts with 1, in between any number of ones, not a problem. Here on Q4, it starts with 1, ends with any number of zeros. That is also not a problem. If 1 appear at the end, move back to here. Now observe the string 1, 0, 1, 0. That is starts with 1, ends with 0. This is the DFA that accepts different characters. Clear? Understand carefully. This is the regular expression. The language, the finite automata must and should accept this type of regular expression. Clear? Now, what is the second question? The same concept, but here starting and ending with same characters. Now, I am just rephrasing this one. Understand carefully. Here starting with 0. Now, obviously, it ends with 0. Got it? If it starts with 1, it ends with 1. This is the regular expression. Now, what is the language? So, starts with 0, ends with 0. Or starts with 1, ends with 1. Or 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1, any combination. Clear? Now we are writing the finite automata. I am erasing. See this one, or else observe carefully. 0. What is the minimum string? 0. If it starts with 0 and ends with 0. Clear? Now ends with 0. So my self loop is 0. If any one appear, it must move to the non-final state. This is 1. Now here from Q1 starting and ending with 0, in between middle any number of ones. Observe the same concept. 0 0. Here starting with 0 means self loop is also 0. Why? Because this string is accepted. 0 0 0 0 0. This string is accepted. Right? Exactly. Suppose if it starts with 1, ends with 1. So 1 1 is accepted and self loop 1. Why? Because at last, if you want, you can write any number of ones. If a 0 appear, it must and should move to a non-final state. And here the self loop, in between 1 and 1, you have any number of zeros. Take any string. For example, if this is the string, what happened? First Q0 on 1, move to Q3. Q3 on 0, self loop, second 0, self loop, third 0, self loop, on 1, we are moving to the final state. For example, if my string is this one, what happened? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. I am in final state. For example, if this is my string, actually starting and ending starting and ending with different characters. So, after completion of the string, it must be in a non-final state. Check. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. By the end of the string, I am in state Q3. That means my finite automata accept the strings that satisfies the condition, at the same time reject the string that does not satisfy the condition. These are the two DFS with a constraint of different characters at the starting and ending, same characters at the starting and ending. Thank you.